Attention. What you are about to hear is a literal transcript of what I'm saying in the clip. It might sound a little weird. Also, I edited most of this video on 2 hours of sleep. Alright, so here's the game plan. 480 rows to get 160 centimeters and 126 stitches to get 60 centimeter wide. This is wide and that is 160 centimeters long. The colors will be first 1 row black, then 2 rows of white, and then finishing all of this, ending with 2 rows white, 1 row black. The tricky thing is, to me all of this is too much, but for my mom all of this is too little. So neither of us knows how I should go about this. But we are gonna see. I'll start and we'll see. I'll trust my mom's gut because I have no size/length perception, so yeah. Okay, so this is approximately the size of my red wool and all of that gave this length. This is 1 second. It's been a day and a half since we last talked. So this is about 13 centimeters long. I've already done a row with my next color, this pinkish red. Let's see how much this will be. I finished this last night. It's 17 centimeters long. Our next color is orange. 24.5 centimeters long. 34.5 centimeters long. 43 centimeters long. 49 centimeters long. Okay, so this is all the green I have knitted so far. Now, I don't know if you remember the big ball of green. But this is it now. I actually started from the inside and so the two ends were getting all tangled. So I had to rewrap the whole ball so it would stop tangling. Okay, I'm gonna keep going now. Also it's 87 centimeters long. 117 centimeters long. 121.5 centimeters long. Okay, so I started with the light blue, and when you feel this, it feels like yarn, but when you do the same with the thread on the needle it feels like a sponge. And the thread, I don't think you can see this, looks thin, like normal sized, but on the needle it feels so thick. It's so weird. 126 centimeters long. 137.5 centimeters long. 145.5 centimeters long. Okay, so I finished all my yarn. I added these 2 rows, but I don't have enough. It's 147 centimeters long. So I'm gonna use this one. It has some bits of color in it, but that's all I have. Then I'll just have to do the end with the black and white, and then it's finished. 159 centimeters long. The end doesn't look as good as the beginning, but that's the best I could do. Added some fringes at both ends. This project took me a little less than a month. It cost me nothing. My parents have no yarn left. Also I don't know the difference between wool and yarn. Quarantine project number 69. A summer shawl. Same as the other one, just made with cotton thread. Also, it's meant to be knitted with a size 2 needle, but I'm using a size 5. I was hoping it would make big holes, but it didn't really. It is definitely more airy than if I had knitted with a size 2, which was what I was going for. The beginning and end will be rounded. This one also took me a little less than a month. It cost me almost 30 euros. I still don't know the difference between wool and yarn. Okay, bye.